So hi guys, I know that a lot of you is waiting for this content. So this is how to create an outstanding portfolio. But before anything else, I would like to introduce myself so that maintindihan niyo naman kung sino ba ako at bakit ako nagtuturo o nag-share ng knowledge sa inyo and kung reliable ba ako. Okay? So my name is Angel. I am the founder of Mamba Expertise. I have 2 years of experience and meron na rin akong 10 plus na clients worldwide. Meron sa AU, sa Canada, sa local, even, yeah. So, ang una kong ituturo sa inyo pagdating sa portfolio is that I want to break these myths. This is the most common misconception about portfolio. At yung mga lagi kong naririnig at naranasan ko rin personally. So, gusto ko muna i-break siya para pag gumawa na kayo ng portfolio, iba na yung perspective ninyo. So number one, lagi ko naririnig, Mamba, I can't make a portfolio yet because I don't have a client. Okay? Unang-una, pwede kang mag-create ng portfolio kahit wala kang client. Because portfolio is a collection of your best work. You can utilize your existing skills. Pangalawa, naranasan ko to, even ginawa ko to. Yung newbie ako, ang ginagawa ko is sumasagot ako ng portfolio as if it was template. Kukuha ko ng template sa Canva, tapos sasagutan ko siya na parang nag-fill in the blanks lang ako. Ganyan. So, again, yan kasi yung dapat na, that's one of the most common misconception. Hindi dapat ganun yung idea nyo kapag gumagawa kayo ng portfolio. Ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo later on. And then pangatlo, ang daming aspiring VAs or newbie na VAs yung nagmamadali sa paggawa ng portfolio na kung ano-ano na lang yung nilalagay. Example, they got a template, ang gagawin lang nila is that you're going to get a photo on Canva or template sa Canva, mag-edit sila, edit lang nila yung, what they call this, edit nila yung color, papalitan nila yung color, tapos ilalagay nila sa portfolio nila, then boom, may portfolio nila. Tapos sila, that's not it. Okay, so gusto ko ipaliwanag sa inyo, ano ba yung portfolio? A portfolio is simply a collection of your best work or example that show your skill set. Ulitin ko, it's an collection of your best work. Okay? So, dito sa unang bilog na to, nakita niyo yung may kamay na may pera. Pinakagusto kong sabihin dyan is that clients don't want to invest in someone who can't deliver them results. Lagi, pinost ko na to before. Lagi ko sinasabi, if you want to earn more, you need to solve a bigger problem. Kasi your portfolio gives them a confidence na kaya mo yung sinasabi mo, even if hindi ka pa nagkakakaya. Pangalawa, portfolio can set you apart from thousands of freelancers na nagsasabi na I can do this, but they don't have a data to back it up. And then pangatlo, portfolio will also show your styles and creativity. Like imagine, ang dami ng S&M worldwide, pare-pareho din naman ng skill set, pero iba-iba yung approach. Okay? So, portfolio helps you to show your style and creativity. Your portfolio highlights your unique touch. Okay? Malinaw ba? Tapos, ika-apat is that your portfolio becomes your 24/7 salesperson. Maraming S&M na ginagawa ito. Nasa bio nila yung link ng portfolio nila. To the point na kahit tulog sila, yung portfolio nila is yung nagpipitch ng service nila sa client. So, kahit tulog sila, hindi na sila kailangang i-message ng client kasi client can view anytime yung kaya nilang i-offer. So now, malamang ito yung question mo at the moment. Ano yung pwede mong ilagay as a newbie sa portfolio mo? So these are the 5 things that I recommend, but maglalagay ako sa comment section or sa caption nito sa YouTube ng 20 pa na pwede mong ilagay sa portfolio mo as a newbie or wala pang client. Number 1 is a static Canva designs. If you're a newbie, I don't recommend that you're just going to get a Canva template tapos nakita mo yung color, nakita mo ng text, tapos ilalagay na sa portfolio. Again, portfolio is a collection of your best work. So, I recommend na talagang ikaw mag-edit ng mga ilalagay mo. It may take you one edit tapos aabutin ka ng 4 hours, 5 hours, but that's okay. But kasi at the end of the day, it is still your best work. I don't really recommend fake it till you make fake it till you make it kasi it will reflect sa work ethics. Okay. Pangalawa, carousel. This is an example of carousel. Para siyang static na marami. Ganyan. Tapos yung kaapat is the sample short video or reel or TikTok, even your own. Ang portfolio kasi guys, hindi lang siya nalilimit sa ganito, sa Canva. Hindi rin siya nalilimit sa website. If you have a personal branding, that's also a powerful portfolio. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng personal brand. And through my personal branding, hindi ako nawawala ng client. Client reach out to me. Okay. So, ika-apat, you can also do before and after edits, plain text, or design posts. Ito, pinost ko to sa Facebook. Itong bahay na to is the one that I designed. Tapos, ito nasa kabila na may headphones. Ito yung inspo ko. And this design is galing sa Pinterest. So, it shows that, yes, I am copying the format, but still, nakadepende ako sa brand tone. Brand kit ng client ko or sa branding niya. Okay. And lastly, the sentence turned into caption. Unfortunately, hindi ko nalagay dito yung caption. But what I do here is an example kung paano ko pinakita sa isang client on what we can do better sa mga existing content niya. So, ito kasi yung sinan ko dun sa client na nag-present ako ng marketing proposal. So, this part, yung why do the flakes form, this is their existing content. So, pinakita ko kay client na this is what we can do better para magkaroon ng impact sa tao yung content na yan. So, number one is that we emphasize the pain points. Even the photo, like, yung may drag siya, tapos pangalawang photo is nangangati siya kasi it triggers emotion. Tapos, not all flakes are the same, Gary and Ul is half. Tapos, in-emphasize natin yung tawag dito, yung pagkaka-edit ko kasi dito may pattern. Like, hindi naman ako expert, pero nanonood kasi ako na kapag nag-i-edit ka daw, kailangan meron kang header, subheader, and text. Tapos, clear format na CTA. Ganyan. So, yan yung pinapakita ko dito. Ayan. So, these are the 5 things that I recommend sa'yo na pwede mong gawin. And now, I know this is the one that you've been waiting for, how I create my portfolio. Ayan. So, this is my portfolio at the moment. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Yeah. So now, you might be wondering, paano ako nag-edit ng portfolio? Kasi ako, graduate na ako sa Canva template, but Canva template is good. I swear, maganda rin talaga siya. Dito nila. Ako niya, portfolio. Canva templates are good. Actually. Pero kasi ako, I want something new. I want something different approach. Kasi dito sa Canva templates, example, ayan. Kompleto na rin naman siya maganda. But ako, I'm your Pinterest girly kasi. So what I do is that I search portfolio, templates, idea. And then this is yung inspo nung portfolio ko. Tignan nyo. Ito siya. Ito yung akin. Diba? Similar. What about me? Similar. But I put my personal touch here. Yun. I'm not going to edit a portfolio from scratch kasi papakita ko sa inyo. But what I'm going to show you is how I create a portfolio na similar sa ganito. Ano ba yung strategy ko? So, I use our BFF. This is ChatGPT. Tapos, what I did is ito. And then, ganyan. Ayan. If baguhan ka sa pag-edit, you can simply screenshot this. Pag na-screenshot mo na, you can praise it to ChatGPT and inform ChatGPT sa plano mong gawin. So, I plan to replicate this style on my portfolio. Give me the elements of this so that I can use Canva to edit, to create a similar edit. Ayan. Maintindihan ni ChatGPT. Pasensya na guys, sasakit na kasi kang kamay ko. Ayan. So, I let AI to tell me what elements yung ginamit dito sa, sa photo na to. So, pinaliwanag yun sa akong profile, circular, shadow, orbit icons, ganyan. Tapos, pinakita rin niya dito yung icons na ginamit. Kasi meron ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, nilagay niya dito. Sa icons, pwede kong i-search to sa elements, either visual elements, home, portfolio, camera, settings, message, para makuha ko itong mga ito. Okay, so that's how I edit my own portfolio. So, that's it. And by the way, magbibigay ako ng template sa inyo. It's a blank template. Galing din siya sa mismong portfolio ko, so you can use it. But please, use it only as reference. Yung mga information na nandun, may ibang hindi ako tinanggal para maintindihan nyo how it works. Ang ilalagay nyo ay yung information nyo mismo. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.